Welcome to Lazy Days, seekers of knowledge. Let our journeys begin. Which part of a car is responsible for converting fuel into mechanical energy? A. Catalytic converter. B. Battery. C. Engine. Which component ensures smooth gear shifts in a manual transmission vehicle? A. Gearbox. B. Flywheel. C. Clutch. Which part regulates the amount of fuel entering the engine for combustion? A. Fuel injection. B. Fuel pump. C. Fuel filter. Which is the main component that helps with steering assistance in most modern cars? A. Steering rack. B. Hydraulic pump. C. Steering column. Which part is primarily responsible for converting hydraulic pressure into braking force? A. Brake pads. B. Brake caliper. C. Master cylinder. What component connects the wheels to the drivetrain, transmitting power for movement? A. Differential. B. Driveshaft. C. Axle. Which part is essential for maintaining engine temperature? A. Radiator. B. Thermostat. C. Coolant reservoir. What ignites the air-fuel mixture in the engine's combustion chamber? A. Spark plug. B. Ignition coil. C. Distributor. Which part is crucial for controlling the air intake into the engine? A. Intake manifold. B. Turbocharger. C. Throttle body. What component reduces harmful emission from the car's exhaust system? A. Muffler. B. Catalytic converter. C. Exhaust manifold. Which part increases the engine's efficiency by forcing more air into the combustion chamber? A. Intercooler. B. Turbocharger. C. Supercharger. What part helps balance the engine by reducing vibrations during operation? A. Harmonic balancer. B. Flywheel. C. Crankshaft. Which component is vital for lubricating the engine's moving parts? A. Oil filter. B. Oil pan. C. Oil pump. What component connects the crankshaft to the camshaft in the engine? A. Timing chain. B. Serpentine belt. C. Timing belt. Which part ensures a clean air supply to the engine by filtering out contaminants? A. Air filter. B. Mass airflow sensor. C. EGR valve. What part is responsible for charging the car's battery while the engine runs? A. Alternator. B. Starter motor. C. Voltage regulator. Which component distributes torque between the front and rear wheels in AWD vehicles? A. Transfer case. B. Driveshaft. C. Gearbox. What technology allows variable control of valve timing in an engine? A. VTEC. B. VVT1. C. Variable camshaft timing. Which component of a car's suspension system absorbs and dampens shocks? A. Stabilizer bar. B. Shock absorber. C. Control arm. Which component controls the flow of fuel from the fuel tank to the engine? A. Fuel pump. B. Fuel injector. C. Fuel rail.